Hello everyone, welcome to AA's STEAM series. In this video, I'll be talking about air pressure. The term air pressure used in reference to the weight of air molecules pressing down on Earth. Air pressure depends on three main factors: temperature, altitude, and moisture. I've already made 3 videos on air pressure, and this will be the fourth and most simple one. But this one will include fire, so you will be needing adult supervision, and my mom is right there. So if you're a little too young to do this experiment, you can make an adult light the piece of paper for you, but I will do it by myself. Then I will be wearing safety goggles. And for this experiment, you'll be needing a lighter, a piece of paper, or a tissue paper will also work, a glass jar, and a balloon filled with water. In one of my previous videos, I did make a video on how a balloon won't pop if it's filled with water and is close to a flame. And that is a video right there. Okay, so now we shall start the experiment. Before that, let's try something. If we keep the balloon on top, just like that, make sure the water is facing down, so make sure it's straight up, try lifting the balloon. Well, you won't pick up the glass because the air pressure outside and inside are the same. But now, let's put on our goggles. Now these are the things you have to do. You have to light the piece of paper on fire, quickly put the balloon on top, and wait and observe. So I'm going to do it a tiny bit fast. Okay, good. And now, as you can see, the balloon is getting sucked inside the glass. And now, also, the piece of paper is burnt out. So now, who wants to know why this happened? So now I can take my safety goggles off. Before that, let's try something. Lifting the balloon. Whoa, you can actually lift the glass with the balloon. That is so cool. And all that happened just because of air pressure. Air pressure is the reason for that to happen. So now let's see. At first, I told you the air pressure inside the glass and outside the glass were the same. But once we lit the piece of paper on fire, the air pressure changed, because that piece of paper heated the air inside the glass. And then the balloon wasn't sitting as tightly. It wasn't airlocked or air sealed. So that's what happened. The hot air rises. So of course it moved out. So it just went in between the cracks of the balloon right there. So the balloon wriggled and it started to slide in. But then it got sucked in because the air pressure outside and the air pressure inside were different. There's more outside and less inside the glass because of the fire. And plus, the balloon got sucked in to balance it. So now it's the same. So now you can lift the glass with the balloon, and thanks to the water inside the balloon won't pop. And yeah, that is basically the experiment. As you can see, it was pretty simple, pretty amazing, and is just like magic. You can show this experiment to your friends, and this is actually one of the pretty scary ones, because this time I'm not as scared to lift the balloon, but in my atmospheric pressure video, I was pretty scared. So you can check the video, the link will be given in the description below, and you can see a photo of me trying to lift the glass, and I got pretty scared there. But thanks to atmospheric pressure and science, it worked, and same here. This is a pretty simple experiment. So guys, this will be it for today. See you later. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.